Well, that was fast. Thank you, guys. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for our grand finale, we will be bringing out about 70 birds on stage. So let's start counting. First pair from Africa are great white pelicans. Second pair from India, we have the spot-billed pelicans. And now from Eastern Europe, we have 4 Dalmatian pelicans. Over here, guys. Now back to Africa, the birds with their sexy long legs. Keep your eyes back there for our greater flamingo. Now this time from Indonesia, we have our Moluccan cockatoos from up there. Here they come. And now, all the way from England, we have our Birmingham Roman pigeons.
Yes.
And finally, all the way from South America, let's welcome our beautiful macaws from up there and there. Now there you have it, everyone, our grand finale of birds. A round of applause for them. And with that, we have come to the end of the show. Now if you'd like to take pictures with our birds, please do stay as we will be bringing out our young flamingos shortly. Now in the meantime, you are more than welcome to come down, take pictures of the birds we have on stage while we usher them back home. Now on behalf of our very generous sponsor, Singapore Crest Holdings Foundation, who has been supporting us all these years, thank you for coming, and please do not forget to bring your belongings with you. Bye-bye, everyone.